It is Saturday the 12th of October 2019. Now today we've come down to Hartlepool to the Maritime Museum here, and we're having a look around HMS Trincomalee. Okay, so whilst you're surrounded by guns, dinner will still be prepared.
Just ballast.
Yes, yeah. Doesn't seem to have any way of...
Well, we're down in the bows of the ship now. All sorts of things stored here, including barrels, and this rope, which must be double the thickness of my arms. That's both arms together. So my hand and a bit of rope. Well, we're out on the top deck now, and I've got to say that this ship is an awful lot bigger than I expected. Imagine having to go up that rigging. Or to be a sharpshooter on one of those platforms, especially in rough weather. Well, I have just discovered that this ship was launched on the 12th of October 1817. So that makes her 202 years old today.